Can we delete all Discord messages all at once on mobile? Hey everybody, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to find out, so let's just get started. First of all, you need to head over to Discord, open up the Discord application, and once you open it up like this, if you are logged in, you will be finding this home interface with all of your servers and channels. So you may head over to one of your channels, like your server, and then you may head over to one of the text channels where the messages are located. So for example, here, or let me just go ahead and look out for another server of mine here. So as you can see, if you're trying to look for option of deleting messages, so when you long press on each message like this, you will be getting a menu. And when you scroll a bit, you should be finding option of delete message. You can just go ahead and tap on it and confirm that you want to delete message. Yes. So this is the way you can apply it up. If you're looking for deleting all at once, there is no such way yet now. So what you can do instead is you can delete the whole channel. So in order to delete the whole channel, if you're wanting to do that, in order to delete the whole channel, you may just head over the channel and then look for the channel name at the top, tap on it. And once you tap on it, head over to settings. And from settings, you may scroll down and look for the option to delete channel and confirm it and save the changes at the top. That will let you delete the channel, including all of the messages all at once on Discord. So this is the way you can follow up. There are different third-party applications available, but it is against the terms and conditions of policies of Discord, so it's better not to use it. You can follow this method instead. So that's it for now. You may follow the same process. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.